We have a role to play in the science that defines how all these theory and technologies, especially genomics, is going to be used where we are.
Sometimes exciting. In the lab there, grabe. It was so fun.
My name's Carmen Ablan, Lagman, and I am an associate professor here at De La Salle University. I was in the US for the Fulbright visiting scholar program at the Oregon State University, where I was given an associate professor courtesy faculty appointment. I was working in the lab of Dr. Eli Mayer in the zoology department in Oregon State, and I was working on a project that looked into the general transcriptome. That means all the expressed genes in a mud crab, yung alimango natin.
We outsourced. And we're coming up with our own structure. It's called the Philippine Genome Research Institute.
I wanted to do something new. I wanted to be where there were people who were doing genomics. And that's why I started searching the web for an opportunity. And then I found the Fulbright application. As a Fulbright scholar, just getting there is one thing. The other is, how do I maximize my time here and meet the people that I need to meet, make new contacts for future? And that's what I did. So Overseas Lecturing Fund, the enrichment seminar, and telling peer, PAEF, NSF, USAID that I was in the US. One of the goals of the Fulbright is to tell the world about the Filipino, help them understand who the Filipino is and what the Filipino can do, right? We can do that in terms of publications we write. We can do that in terms of people we meet in conferences, but your time is very limited. If you go to a place and you stay there on extended periods of time, they understand more of who you are. So we change their perception of who we are and what we can do. And inevitably, kasi they kind of exclude us from the conversation with the idea that we really don't understand what they're talking about. But since I've been there longer and they could talk about what they're really talking about, and in the conversation I already could give inputs, they also understand that we can have an input in the conversation of crafting the field of science that they're making. The Fulbright has made that possible. It has raised, I think, for this thing, the opportunity for us to tell the world who we are and what we can do. They give us the resources to do that. They give us the time to do that. It really is a very good opportunity to increase your market value, to increase your knowledge, but also more importantly, it's a good immersion and you know, exchange experience. And as they say, marinated is better than plain. So yeah, this is a good marination opportunity. You grow up. Even my age, I grew up.